Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm going to do an unboxing video here of my two light bars that we're going to be installing on our 2014 Toyota 4Runner with the Cali raised LED behind the grille brackets. So I bought two different light bars to test durability. One of them, they're both 32 inches. One of them is the Auxbeam and the other one is the NiLight. I got both these on Amazon. And I'm going to do a durability test on these two and then compare the output to the 32-inch single row rigid radiance that's on our Toyota Tundra. So let me get these boxes opened and then I'll be right back. Mention, just for comparison purposes, both these light bars combined still cost less than the rigid radiance bar that I got on my Tundra. So we'll see if these budget bars, how they compare output wise, but I just want to throw it out there. I think the NiLight bar was 40 something. I'll put a link in the description. And then the Auxbeam bar was 82, I think, with the coupon code. So let me get the box open. I'll show you what comes with each one. So here's the NiLight bar. They give you a nice thank you card here, 2-year warranty information. So let's get the bar out of the box. Looks like all that comes with this bar is just the light bar. You don't get a wiring harness or anything like that, which is interesting. Trying to one-hand this here, I apologize. Whoops. There's that one. Let's slide this one off. I'm gonna put you down for a second. Alright, so here's the NiLight bar in all of its glory. It's hard to see here. Let me see if I can get you in there. And that's what the bar looks like. And here's what the plug looks like, where it goes into the housing. And then here's the wire. It's tucked into the fins here. As you can see, the cable's not very long here. And it's just a black and white aluminum wire. Curious to see how this compares to the Auxbeam bar for about double the price. I don't even see any. I lied. There's some brackets in here. There's some hardware. There's hardware. Looking at feet. An Allen wrench. Mounting nuts and then nuts to mount the feet to the light bar. Mounting feet to the light bar. So. Well, there's the NiLight. Let's go ahead and get the Auxbeam open. So here's the Auxbeam. The packaging is a little nicer, and it's worth noting that this bar is a lot heavier than the NiLight bar. So let's go get it open. Oh, and you got a supplied harness with the Auxbeam. I didn't know that. That's a nice plus. That sounds like hardware. Oh, and this is just bare aluminum wire too on the Auxbeam. Let's get it out and look at it. You get some hard, let's see here, you get instructions, you get a decal, it looks like. Yep, a decal, and this gives you mounting instructions. And this is their contact us support information. Side and bottom mounting instructions, so there's that. Let's put this all back in there, because we're not going to be looking at that. So like this one this is a lot heavier than the NiLight bar that I just got out. Which to me, I think this is going to be the higher quality bar, but will it last longer than the NiLight? That's what we're going to figure out. I'm going to take this apart. Alright, guys, here's the Auxbeam bar. This actually has some optics on the front of them here that the NiLight did not. As you can see, it's a combo. These are all supposed to be floods. These are all spots, and then those are floods too. There's a video or a picture or a shot of the plug in the housing. And then here's the wiring for it. Again, just aluminum wiring. So there's that. Before I go, I just want to show you the differences. So this is like their flood pattern way of doing it. That's Auxbeam's way. And then this is their spot pattern. And that's the way Auxbeam does it. So the bars look a little different. I'm going to be surprised or curious to see which one actually projects light better. Off initial impressions and previous experience, I bet you the Auxbeam does, but we'll figure it out.